Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I have my little bear right here. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on this palette right here. This is the Wanted palette by Nars that came out recently and it's really expensive. So yeah, if you want to see how I came up with this look and what I think about the palette itself as a first impression and a review as well, the pigmentation, the formula and all those shebang, just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first is we're gonna prime our eyes, of course, with this soft ochre paint pot from MAC because we're gonna have some shebang colors in our eyes. So here it is, the expensive guy that we're about to test out. This is my Nars. Is that my baby? I haven't even started yet and she's crying again. So since my baby is inside my studio room right now, I'm gonna have to do this as a voiceover. Perks of being a mom. Hello people of the world, I am back as a voiceover thing. And here's the Nars palette. And I'm just gonna apply this Biarritz right here. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing these names, it's just out of this world. But I'm just gonna apply that on top of our primer and I'm gonna use this shadow shield to basically keep us from having fall-offs, even though I don't have foundation on yet. But I'm gonna take this 7 Heaven right here and I'm gonna apply that on my crease as a transition color. And it's kind of powdery. That's the first thing that I noticed in this formula. And this one right here, it's supposed to be kind of like soft brownish, but I don't know, it kind of looks in person as a peachy pink. And this one right here is called Shadow Hill and it's the same thing. It's supposed to be like on the brown side, but it looks really weird when I apply it on my lids. I don't know. It's just not looking cute for me personally. Next is I'm going to take this Temptress right here and I'm going to apply that on my crease as well, a little bit lower. But this one is not matte, I know, but I'm not liking the combinations, just the look I'm having right now. I'm just kind of frustrated, but I'm still, you know, working on it, trying to make it work. I'm going to take this Coconut Grove next, and I was so excited with this shade because I love darker shades of brown, but I was so disappointed because when it applied on my lids, it's black. I mean, it's black. I don't know. I don't know if it's the combination of the eyeshadows before or it's just me, but anyway. So next is I'm going to cut my crease using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm sorry if I sound really confused right here. I literally just woke up. It's 8 a.m. in the morning and I haven't had my breakfast yet. Besides the point, I'm just cutting my crease right now. Back to that Coconut Grove again. I'm gonna reapply that on our crease to kind of intensify the cut between our lids and our crease. Slowly but surely, of course. Next is this shimmer shadow called Mendoza, and I'm just gonna apply that using my Urban Decay brush, and it felt so creamy on the brush actually and applied beautifully, but then when I apply it on my lids, it's not that intensified. I mean, so I thought maybe a little Fix Plus would do, but it did took a lot of time also and a lot of technique for me to apply this correctly because I don't know, it's just asking for some specific dabbing motion on the lids to make it work well, but it was beautiful after it, you know. Next is I'm going to take this Delirium right here and I'm going to apply that on my brow bone area. Next is I'm going to put some eyeliner using this eyeliner from Too Faced. I forgot what this one is called, but I'm just going to wing it out. some falsies from House of Lashes. This is the one called Heartbreaker, I believe. And then I'm gonna apply some Giga Black Lash Mascara from MAC. To prime my face, I'm gonna use this NYX Hydro Touch oil primer. This is the first time I've used this, and I'm saving my review on this one because, girl, I was shook. And I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation. Just blending that out using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I'm gonna take this NYX HD Concealer in the shade 4.5 to conceal my under eye area, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and the sides of my cheeks. My jaw, I mean. I need breakfast. I honestly do. Next is I'm going to take this No Filter finishing powder from NYX, you know what's up, in the shade Golden, and I'm just going to pack that on all over my face. I love this powder. This is like my ride or die forever. I really do think. And next is I'm going to take this Hoola Bronzer right here, and I'm just going to contour that shake, you know, beat that face. Make it on fleek. Next is I'm going to take this Kilowatt Freestyle highlighter from Fenty, and I'm going to use Hustla Baby to highlight the bridge of my nose, of course, and my inner eye corners. And then I'm going back to this Temptress right here, and I'm going to apply that all over my lower lash line area. Back to the Coconut Grove, and I'm also going to apply that on my lower lash area. And I'm going to apply some mascara also with using my Giga Black Lash from MAC. And then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Color Icon, I think in the shade Mellow Wind. I forgot, but I love this blush. This blush is so beautiful. And next is I'm going to prep and set using my Morphe setting spray. And then using the same highlighter again, I'm going to highlight my cheeks, and look at that. For lips, I'm going to use this Lolita 2 from Kat Von D Liquid Lipsticks, Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks. I love this formula. That's the end of the tutorial. I know I was doing a voiceover a while ago, but now I'm talking like literally directly now, right now. I just want to quickly say my final thoughts about this palette right here by Nars. This is again my first and only Nars palette. The formula, it's all creamy. Like when you swatch them, they're beautiful. Like they're very creamy, and then they're so pigmented. There's nothing you can say. But the actual application, like this one right here, it's supposed to be like dark chocolatey brown, but when I applied it, it's black. It's freaking black. It's not dark brown. And also this too right here, beautiful, very soft brown. It's not what it is in here. Like, Can you see any browns while I was blending there? No, it was pink, a darker nude pink. It's not anything like this. And then this one right here, I just had the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I used the Celestial. I'm pretty sure it was called Celestial. That's the color that I used on my lids as well. And it looks exactly like this. But of course, Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette went out in the market first before this because this was very, very recent only. And this one looks just like it. I found most of these colors actually on my 35OM palette from Morphe. I find that they're very similar. It's just that some are shimmered and the other version is matte. And actually the Morphe one is much better when it comes to pigment wise. I'm gonna get my baby, hold on. So all in all, I don't recommend that palette. I mean, I'm still gonna use it. I mean, cause you know, I spent a lot of money for that shit. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Click the thumbs up if you did like this video and comment down below what you think. And I will see you guys on my next video. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.